Passengers wait in front a line of police officers blocking the access to Marseille's main train station Sunday, October 1, 2017 in Marseille, southern France. French police have warned people to avoid Marseille's main train station following a knife attack that made at least one dead. Club Paris Associated Press Marseille, France. The latest on attack at Marseille's main train station. All times local 7:20 p.m. France's National Railway Company is calling on all passengers to postpone journeys to and from the city of Marseille following the fatal knife attack at the city's main train station. The SNCF says the Marseille-Saint Charles train station was evacuated after the Sunday's attack that left 2 women dead. It was partially reopened in the late afternoon. French authorities are allowing Marseille train traffic to gradually resume, but the rail company says traffic will remain disrupted all evening. 7:10 p.m. France's interior minister says authorities don't yet know if the Marseille knife attack was of a terrorist nature, but reports that some witnesses heard the assailant shouting Allahu Akbar, Arabic for God is great. Colombe said police have video of the Sunday attack at the city's main train station. He says it shows a man attacking one woman, running away, then coming back and attacking a second woman. Both women died of their wounds. The minister says the assailant then ran toward soldiers who were rushing to the scene. The soldiers shot him just outside the train station. Marseille police are interviewing about 10 witnesses to the attacks. Colombe declined to provide any details about the suspect or to identify the victims. 6:45 p.m. France's President Emmanuel Macron says he is deeply outraged by a barbarous knife attack that left 2 women dead at Marseille's main train station. Macron also paid tribute to the French soldiers assigned to domestic security who the president said in a tweet responded with cool heads and efficiency. The French government this month decided to maintain the military force of 7,000 soldiers that was created to protect sensitive sites after the deadly extremist attacks of 2015. Prime Minister Edouard Philippe also praised the soldiers who shot the suspect and stopped the killing frenzy. He expressed condolences to the victims' families and concern for Marseille residents. 3:50 p.m. French officials say that 2 women have been killed in the attack by a man with a knife at Marseille's main train station, including one whose throat was slit. The officials say soldiers then fatally shot the attacker. Police have evacuated the St. Charles station, with officers and soldiers taking up positions outside. The officials spoke on condition of anonymity because they weren't authorized to discuss an ongoing investigation. The Paris prosecutor's office says that a counter-terrorism probe has been opened, but no motive for the attack has been immediately given. By Philippe Soto and Sylvie Corbett in Paris. 3:05 p.m. French police have warned people to avoid Marseille's main train station amid reports of a knife attack. Marseille police said an operation is underway on its official Twitter account. No other details were immediately available. French television BFM TV says at least 1 person has been stabbed and the assailant has been shot dead. Interior Minister Gerard Collomb tweeted that he's going immediately to the scene after the attack perpetrated near St. Charles train station. The train station has been evacuated. Copyright 2017 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten or redistributed